In this video, we'll show you how to take control of your site by means of WooCommerce shortcodes. If you're happy with the built-in shop page layouts, you can skip this. So let's add a static page, which will become your alternative shop page. Page add new. And you can put this page to your home page or whatever. Now you can begin the page with some text. All of our products ship in 24 hours. And then let's say you want the featured products to go at the top. Featured products. So you'll see this button on the visual editor, insert WooCommerce shortcode. And these are the various shortcodes that are available. Featured products right here. And you can work with the parameters, number of columns, order by, a number of featured products to show. Now you can actually get full description and documentation of these shortcodes by just Googling WooCommerce shortcodes. But for the most part, they're pretty self-explanatory. Then let's say just we want our games product category, just all the products in our games category. That's a shortcode called products by category. And just put the category games. And then let's say you want just a single product. That's a shortcode called products by SKU or ID. And you could use one or the other. The ID is basically the post ID. So here's how you would find the product post ID. Go to the products. And just hover over the product. At the bottom you'll see post equals 22. That 22 is the post ID. So just put that in. I think you can do one or the other, but not both. Save the page. Let's have a look. Okay. All products ship in 24 hours. Featured products is empty because we haven't actually made any products featured yet. We'll do that in a moment. Then we have our two products in the games category. That worked. And then we have today's product that also worked. And here's how you set featured products. Just go to the products list. And this asterisk here means featured products. So we'll set it. And then we'll refresh that page called Home. And watch the featured products populate. And you would use this same shortcode technique to make a custom product category page. This is the WooCommerce sample store. So let's go to this games page, for example. You see it's got some text here at the top. If you were just using the default generated product category, you would not be able to put this text. But what they've done is very simple, is they've created a static page called games. Below that, they've inserted the product category by slug shortcode. They've given it 10 products per page. You see it's actually paginated on a 2-column layout. And they've just put this page into their navigation bar. Some themes use what's called a widgetized home page, meaning that the theme provides widget areas for content placement. If you are using such a theme, you will want to get familiar with the WooCommerce widgets. So let's have a quick look at these. We're back to Misteel theme, which does not have a widgetized home page, but you can still use widgets for sidebar content. So let's illustrate this. We'll go to the Appearance Widgets area. And you can see here there's only a primary sidebar area with a bunch of default widgets and then 4 footer areas. So this is not widgetized home page. But you can still put the cart contents widget on your sidebar. So down below here you'll see WooCommerce cart. Let's pull that up into the primary sidebar. And let's call it cart contents. I like to hide it if the cart is empty myself. Let's have a look. Okay, so we actually have a couple products in our cart and they're shown in the sidebar. This is good because it allows people to check out more easily. The other built-in WooCommerce widgets we'll discuss in the advanced videos, but you may want to have a quick look. There's some pretty cool stuff here. You can see WooCommerce featured products. This more or less replicates the featured products shortcode. Then we have, for example, the two WooCommerce layered nav filters that let you order and filter products by attribute, by custom attribute. WooCommerce on sale, WooCommerce price filter, etc. So you see some great stuff here.